How can I retrieve my old call history on my iPhone?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about a situation that's common to many iPhone users. You've accidentally deleted some calls from your history and now you need them back. Well, don't worry. There are a few different methods you can use to recover your call history on iPhone, and we're going to cover them step by step.
Can I retrieve my old call history directly on my iPhone?
The answer is yes, but it's limited. The iPhone keeps a record of calls made and received in the last 100 days. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the phone app on your iPhone. 2. Click on the Recents icon at the bottom of your screen. 3. There you will see your recent calls. If the call you're looking for is within the last 100 days, it will be there. Important. Please note that if the call was made or received more than 100 days ago, it will not appear in this list.
Can I retrieve my old call history from iCloud or iTunes backup?
Yes, you can. If your iPhone has been regularly backed up to iCloud or iTunes, you can restore your entire device from a backup to retrieve the old call history. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. iCloud backup. 2. Open Settings on your iPhone. 3. Click on your Apple ID and then iCloud. 4. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. 5. If there is a suitable backup, you can erase your iPhone and restore it from that backup. 6. iTunes Backup. 7. Connect your iPhone to your computer, which has iTunes installed. 8. Open iTunes and select your iPhone. 9. Choose Restore Backup. 10. Choose a suitable backup and restore. Note: restoring your iPhone from a backup will overwrite the existing data on your device. Please be sure to back up any new data before you proceed with the restoration.
Can I retrieve my old call history using third-party software?
Yes, there are several third-party software applications that can help you retrieve your old call history. Examples include Dr. Phone, iMobi Phone Rescue, and iMyPhone D Back. Each software has its own unique steps, but they all work in a similar way. 1. Install the software on your computer. 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer. 3. Follow the instructions given by the software to scan and recover the call history. Caution: using third-party software should be your last resort, as it could potentially lead to loss of data, privacy issues, and other unwanted results. Always choose reputable software and read the instructions carefully. And there you have it. Whether it's through the iPhone itself, an iCloud or iTunes backup, or even with the help of third-party software, there are a variety of ways to retrieve your old call history. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to back up your data regularly to avoid such situations in the future.